Good morning, kindergarten. Yesterday during our Zoom meeting, Mrs. Busson and I shared with you guys a read aloud about insects and bugs and counting and adding that we would like to share with you again today in case you missed our Zoom meeting or you want to listen to it again. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you, and we are going to read 10 for Me. So this book is by Barbara Mariconda, and it's illustrated by Sherry Rogers. We got ready to go, just Ed and I. Our goal, to catch some butterflies. Ed with his net and I with my book set out in the field, and we started to look. And the book they have with them is called Butterfly Field Guide for Young Explorers. That first day out, it wasn't much fun, 'cause Ed netted 10 and I netted none. How many in all? Let's count them again. Well, 10 plus 0 is 10, Ed said. 10 plus 0 is 10. Now at the bottom of our page in their Explorer book, they have facts for us. So this fact says that to attract butterflies, you need to provide a food source, like nectar or pollen, and a host plant for the female to lay her eggs. So this butterfly is called a fiery skipper, and they lay their eggs in tall grass. And next to the book, we have their notebook, and they're keeping tally marks to see how many butterflies they captured and released each day. That second day out still wasn't much fun, 'cause Ed netted 9 and I netted 1. How many in all? Let's add them again. Well, 9 plus 1 equals 10, Ed said. 9 plus 1 equals 10. And our fact says each butterfly species uses different flowers, grasses, or trees as their host plant. Caterpillars will eat from that special plant. That third day out, I was still feeling blue, 'cause Ed netted 8 and I netted 2. How many in all? Let's add them again. Well, 8 plus 2 equals 10, Ed said. 8 plus 2 equals 10. And our fact is, plants and butterflies have adapted together over thousands of years. Monarch butterflies use milkweed poison to protect themselves. That fourth day out, I still couldn't see how Ed netted 7 and I netted 3. How many in all? Let's add them again. Well, 7 plus 3 equals 10, Ed said. 7 plus 3 equals 10. And some butterflies have ragged brown wings that camouflage them against dead leaves. That fifth day out, I was still feeling sore, 'cause Ed netted 6 and I netted 4. How many in all? Let's add them again. Well, 6 plus 4 equals 10, Ed said. 6 plus 4 equals 10. She doesn't look very happy, does she? Because she's not winning over there. All right, let's look at that book for our fact. Question marks and red spotted purples like the juice of overripe fruits. That sixth day out, I thought I would die, 'cause Ed netted 5 and so did I. How many in all? Let's add them again. Well, 5 plus 5 equals 10, we said. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And here it says that black swallowtails lay their eggs on plants like carrots, parsley, dill, fennel, and Queen Anne's lace. That seventh day out, I used my new tricks, and Ed netted 4 and I netted 6. How many in all? Let's add them again. Well, 4 plus 6 equals 10, I said. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Many butterflies nectar or drink nectar from flowering plants. That eighth day out, it felt just like heaven, 'cause Ed netted 3 and I netted 7. How many in all? Let's add them again. Well, 3 plus 7 equals 10, I said. 3 plus 7 equals 10. And our fact is that some male butterflies puddle, which means drink from mud puddles, to get the nutrients they need. So that helps them survive. That ninth day out, I really felt great, 'cause Ed netted 2 and I netted 8. How many in all? Let's add them again. Well, 2 plus 8 equals 10, I said. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Question marks and red spotted purples are attracted to barnyard smells. Oh, so that must be why they're with all of these barn animals, because they're attracting those butterflies to catch. That 10th day out, it was my turn to shine because Ed netted 1 and I netted 9. How many in all? Let's add them again. Well, 1 plus 9 equals 10, I said. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Uh-oh, I don't think Ed's too happy that he's not catching as many butterflies anymore, huh? If planting a butterfly garden, use plants that are native to your area. That last day out, well, I did it again. Poor Ed netted none, and I netted 10. How many in all? Let's add them again. Well, 0 plus 10 equals 10, I said. 0 plus 10 equals 10. And then we stopped and looked at our scores to see which one of us finally caught more. How many for Ed? How many for me? Let's look down at their book and see how many they both caught. So for Ed right here, he has all of his tally marks and he circled them in groups of 10. So he has 55. Now we look over at our main character where it says me, and she circled hers and she also has 55. It looks like a tie, Ed shouted with glee. Oh wait, what's this? Hey, look and see. It looks like now the winner is me. Let's look at her. I think she had a lot of fun catching all those butterflies. She really tried hard. You can tell from all of the butterflies and flowers and grass all over her. All right, you guys, thank you so much for listening again to our read aloud from our Zoom meeting yesterday. I hope you guys had fun with Ed and our main character as they caught all of those butterflies, and hopefully you found some new ways to practice counting and adding up to 10. So next week, we have a new theme. This week was bugs and insects. Next week, we're going to be talking all about Earth Day. So I hope to see you guys again for some more read alouds for our Earth Day next week. I will talk to you all later. Bye.